Hi everyone, in this video we will show you Topstep promo codes and how to save up to 80%. First, open the Topstep website. Topstep is a well-known platform for traders to practice and potentially earn funding for a live trading account. They often offer promo codes that can save you a lot, so it's worth checking before signing up. Take a moment to review the subscription plans to see which one fits your trading goals before applying any code. Next, visit Simply Codes. This site lists active Topspeed promo codes with details like the discount amount, eligibility, and expiry date. You can also see user reviews to make sure the code works. Another option is Mundo Forex, which specializes in trading deals. They often offer Topstep promo codes with discount up to 70% and allow you to filter by type of discount, like percentage off or free trial extensions. Make sure to check the terms as some codes may only apply to specific plans. After finding a suitable code, check the Topstep information or FAQ page. This explains exactly how to enter your promo code when signing up or upgrading your subscription, helping ensure the discount is applied correctly. You can also explore Mobile Mall for update codes. This site sometimes lists exclusive or seasonal promotions. Coupon Purse is another great source, showing verified codes along with start and end dates, restrictions, and whether they can be combined with other offers. Checking multiple sources help you get the best deal and avoid expired codes. When applying a promo code, double-check your account details, including email, payment info, and subscription selection. Some codes work only for new accounts, so you may need a separate email if you already have a Topstep account. Timing your purchase with seasonal sales or events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday can increase your savings. Always review the terms of each code to maximize your discount. Sometimes you can save up to 80% on Topstep. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.